The International Arts Center is now home to a new exhibit that is years in the making, Garden of Perseverance. The exhibit features artwork from incarcerated women from the Julia Tutwiler Prison for Women in Wetumpka, Alabama. The gardening program started with a focus on horticulture and nutrition until Dr. Everhart, co-creator of the program, felt like something was missing.
I knew that there was a piece in the programming that was missing, but I wasn't quite sure what it was until I really started listening to the women and listen to what they use as outlets to kind of escape being incarcerated. And one of the things that they do as a calming activity is art in any capacity.
A 15-week program was created teaching women skills in agriculture and art. Dr. Berwager, a Troy University art professor, led the women through weekly classes, teaching them techniques, all the while taking inspiration from the garden for the artwork.
For all of them, in one way, shape, or form, you see the gardening program, which has been the component, the anchor, if you will, the anchoring component of the program in all of the art. So there is an interweaving of different skill sets and activities that we take them through, all with this idea of skill building.
Dr. Everhart says that the program had a bigger meaning than just painting and gardening. Throughout the 15 weeks, the women learned valuable skills that they could use to possibly make money after being released from prison.
Really what the aim behind all of this, while art is fun, it is teaching them a skill. It is something that they could make money with on the outside, as well as gardening and the horticulture component. This is an agricultural state. There is a lot of need for farm work.
The paintings on display in the exhibit are for sale for $50 a painting, and the proceeds will go directly to the inmate artist. If you would like to purchase a painting, you can contact Dr. Everhart at 419-902-1396 for more information. Claudia Peppenhorst, Troy, TrojanVision News.